Hey guys, hope you guys are well. Guys, this is one of my YouTube channels because obviously I'm a teacher and this is called Teachers from the Hood. Now, um, for us, it's Kajabi is amazing. So I want to really just touch on this now. The question is Kajabi worth the money? That's probably what you're asking, and that's probably what you asked to get to this video. Now, for us, I think it's an amazing platform. I mean, there's so many platforms out there. You got the Podia, Thinkific, Teachable. There's so many out there. You know, and I think Kajabi is the best one, and I'll tell you why. Because we use it for our website and for blogs and all sorts, and it is amazing. Now, if you just look on the first page, you can see really that there's a lot of creators that use this because it's really seamless and it's easy to use. And what I really like about it, not only can you create, now look, you can create obviously online courses. Now, as a teacher myself, creating courses is like bread and butter. It's amazing. And it's not only just about creating courses, but like for me, like I like to do coaching. And so coaching is a really great way to monetize what you do. Um, so online courses, coaching. But the other thing that for us was really amazing is that it's got fantastic um, email lead magnets that are so easy to set up. And I'm going to do videos on how to set up stuff on Kajabi. I have to because I really just want to show you how it works because it's so easy. It's easier than people think. But what's great is you get these because what it is you might have a YouTube channel, but really that's not yours. As in like YouTube owns the channel really, although it's your channel. So if the channel shuts down or if a podcast shuts down, then you're left with nothing. So what's really good about the email lead magnets is that you're able to get emails of the people of the customers that you want, and then that stays there in Kajabi. That's yours. So I really like it because it has a really easy way of setting up these email lead magnets. So look, online courses, coaching, it's a fantastic way, an easy way to sort out how you coach. It doesn't make it difficult. It's so easy to do. It shows you sample sites of how they do it, how they do their coaching. You can literally, as it says, run your entire business on this platform. Now, the thing about other platforms is you have to kind of add things to it. Now, for us as teachers, like, there's other things that we want to add on. Now, we've got a podcast, so you've got podcasts which we can integrate. Now, actually, we have to migrate our podcast because we still got it using Buzzsprout. We need to migrate it, but it's amazing that they actually have it here. So we're going to migrate our podcast where that way we can kind of, hopefully earn more money. Membership is massive, something that we haven't got into yet, but we really want to get memberships. So memberships and adding a community. Literally, Kajabi has like ticked all the boxes for everything, and that is amazing. So we're really happy with it, and we find it really easy to use, and we find it really easy that we can build things like the funnels to optimize and scale our business. How we get the contacts just come in. The website, I'm going to do a walkthrough how to use the Kajabi website because that's also really cool and really easy to set up. It's not hard at all. It takes a bit of time, but it's not hard at all. So, look, guys, if you're looking for a platform where you want to kind of monetize and sell things online, you got your podcast, you got blog, we got our blog on there as well. Website, blog, podcast, coaching, courses, community, membership. Look, this has everything all in one, so it's pretty amazing. Now, on their website, when you go to it, they have a free trial, right? Now you can see, look, it's a 14-day free trial. If you go to the link in my description, I can give you a 30-day free trial, and for you just to test it out, see if you like it, see if you don't, see how easy it is. Check it out. 30 days, a whole month of trialing it out. So check it out in my description. and then you can decide if you like it or not. But like I said, if this is something where you want to sell, you want to create an online business and you want to sell things quite easily and be able to get emails from potential customers and get your lead magnets and so on all set up and your funnels, you know, so that you can actually sell the courses and the coaching, I think this is like the best. Yeah, I think this is the best. Guys, if you like this quick video on whether Kajabi is worth it, I hope you could spend a few seconds just to hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.